To prevent dog bites, teach your children not to play aggressive games or wrestle with your family dog. And never leave a baby or small child alone with a dog. A family pet can be great for your kids' well-being. Dogs have an uncanny ability to protect kids from harm, and the benefits don't stop there. Daily dog walks increase your physical activity. Dogs offer affection and teach compassion and responsibility, and they can teach kids to get past their me stage of development. If you're afraid you'll end up taking care of your child's furry friend, just know that a little pet therapy can decrease blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. Consider these other helpful tips if you're on the fence about getting a pet. To prevent dog bites, teach your children not to play aggressive games or wrestle with your family dog. And never leave a baby or small child alone with a dog. Choose an age-appropriate pet for your kid. Don't get a reptile if your child is 5 years old or younger. Start with a goldfish or a hamster. And kids younger than 10 years old will need help caring for a dog or cat. To prevent disease, teach your kids to wash their hands after touching an animal, its cage, or food and water dishes. Use the pet-child relationship as an opportunity to teach your child about respect for other living things. Finally, enjoy watching your child forge a special bond with a pet that makes memories to last a lifetime.